enjoy solving problems. It's really satisfying when you're faced with a very complicated system and information, and people are making hypotheses about, well, what does this information mean? But then you can use maths to really write down rigorously, well, what exactly are your assumptions about this system? And then analyse the maths you've written down and analyse the equations and maybe simulate the equations. And then you can really gain a much deeper understanding of what at first seemed like a really complicated problem. My research uses maths to try and understand how plant roots grow and develop. So I work really closely with experimentalists, but also with people from computer science and engineering, and we're really interested in using an interdisciplinary technique to understand how plants grow. Ultimately, the idea is to understand how we could improve plants to improve crop production. Similarly, when I was at school, I would never have thought I would end up applying maths to understanding plant growth. But I guess it is kind of sometimes really fundamental to the problems we're trying to solve to actually simulate what we think is going on and see how that compares. It kind of sometimes seems amazing that this is a job where I just get to kind of do maths and understand interesting problems all day and talk to people who are also interested in the same problems. And it's a really exciting career. And also, if you get a maths degree, there's lots and lots of different careers you can go into. So you're not limiting yourself to becoming a mathematician, but lots of careers would consider a maths degree really respectable degree to have. I would like to use maths to understand the mechanisms behind what controls plant growth and how plant growth is affected by different environmental conditions, like a change in gravity or a change in the environmental stress, such as water or low temperature. And that's really fundamental questions in terms of improving crop growth to improve global food security. There's all this, obviously, in the media, lots about climate change, and that's going to have a really fundamental influence on how plants grow. And I really enjoy maths, but fundamentally I'd really like to be able to use that to answer these really important questions.